Oh yeah, she's moving some air now, boys. What's up guys, this is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to improve your air conditioner quality and the overall airflow of your machine by changing your in-cab filter. So first thing we want to do whenever changing out these filters is make sure that our seat is all the way down, whether it is air ride or manual. Just make sure it's all the way down so that we can reach this panel behind us. And both of our cab air filters are right here, so we're going to take off these knobs. Nasty filter. Getting rid of that. We'll pull this out. Once again, nasty filter. This one we've got to take out of a bracket, so we'll take that off first. Take out that old filter. Yep. Next, we'll take our new clean filter. We'll place it back on the bracket here. Put the top cover over that, just like so. Then we'll go back in with the filter, just like that. Don't worry, there's only one way this can go. If you try to go in with it the other way, it will not line up and let you. So you can only go in one way. Next, we'll take our new filter here, put it in place, and go back on with our panel, and then back on with our hand nuts. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now this is very important to make sure that we are taking care of these filters, because we want to make sure that we're getting the best airflow we can out of our air conditioning unit. As when we're in these cab units, it's going to be hot, dusty, dirty outside. Those filters are going to get dirty very, very fast. So we want to make sure and get those cleaned out, get those changed as often as possible, depending on our working condition. Because the harder those filters have to work, the harder that your AC is having to work, and the harder your machine is having to work, which is ultimately going to cut down on your fuel efficiency. So it's very important that we keep those clean and keep those changed. So guys, if you like this video and if this video helps you out, we just ask that you'd hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps me out as well. And also guys, if you feel like I left anything out or you have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave those down in the comments section below so I can be able to get back to you. And also guys, if you're looking for these filters specifically, or any other parts for your John Deere compact construction equipment, your tractors, your gators, your lawnmowers, whatever those things are, make sure to check out that link down in the description below to 247parts.com. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.